In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Perplexity AI app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove specific conversations you no longer need quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Perplexity app and making sure you're signed into your account. If you have multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the one where the conversations you want to delete are saved. A stable connection and the latest version of the app will also help everything load smoothly. Once you're in, head to the History section. Depending on your device and app layout, you'll usually find History on the home screen, in a tab along the bottom, or tucked inside a menu icon. History is where all of your past chats are listed, so think of it as your archive of conversations. Scroll through and locate the specific chat you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you've got the right one, especially if several threads have similar titles or topics. When you've found the conversation you want to delete, look for the three-dot menu. This icon often appears next to the chat in the list or at the top corner of the chat's page. Tap those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This tells the app you want to remove that single conversation from your history. Deleting a chat is intended to be permanent, so be certain before you proceed. If you rely on a conversation for future reference, consider keeping it. Once it's gone, you won't be able to view it again in your history. If you have more conversations to clean up, simply repeat the same process. Go back to History, find the next chat you want to remove, tap the three-dot menu and select Delete. Working through them one by one helps you stay organized and avoid accidentally deleting something you still need. A helpful tip is to pause after each deletion and quickly scan your list, just to make sure the right thread was removed and the ones you want to keep are still there. That's all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, go to History, choose the specific conversation, tap the three dots, and select Delete. Repeat as needed for any other chats you want to clear out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep your app tidy by reviewing your history every so often, so only the conversations you care about remain.